Hey guys, Samsung has just made the Galaxy M44 official for its home market of South Korea. Though not under the name, over it's called the Galaxy M3, but it should be the same phone that will be soon see international market has it, the M44. Let's now talk about the phone design and the specification. In the display department, the phone comes with 6.58-inch Full HD Plus PLS LCD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen has a B or U-shaped notch in the top and a significantly thinner bottom bezel than the rest. The Galaxy M44 comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of external storage, and the big thing is the phone comes with Snapdragon 888 chipset. That SoC was introduced in 2020, and of course out of the box the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.0. And the camera department, the phone comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50MP rear camera, and 8MP ultra wide and 5MP macro shooter, and the front is come with 13MP selfie shooter. And the battery department, the phone comes with 5000 mAh battery and is support 25W fast charging. The Galaxy M44 officially announced in 2024. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.